Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Excel. So today I'm going to show you how you can show the extra digit after a decimal point in an Excel chart. So here I have a set of company names with their market share and their market sales, all hypothetical data. So if I want to show a chart using the market share, what I can do is I can select both of the parts. So here I'm going to select both of the parts and create a pie chart. So here we have our pie chart. I'm going to select it, and here's our pie chart. So I want to show the market shares. So I'm going to be selecting the data label function, so the market share data shows, but I also want to show the company names, so I'm going to select the data callout. But the problem with data callout is the market share data is showing in full rounded form, not showing the extra digits after the decimal points, but I want to show them. So what I can do is a small trick is to right click format data labels. After that I'm going to be going here, and in the below section you can see the number. Click that, and in the category select the percentage, and here you can see now the extra digits after the decimal point is also shown with your company name.